Hi guys, Luke here from Luke Tech Reviews, and today we'll be doing an unboxing and quick review of the Bellroy leather case for my Pixel 7a. So I've gone for the blue colour in the Bellroy case today. Let's just have a quick run around the box. So on the front it tells you we've got the Bellroy leather case, where we're expecting a super slim case. It's eco tanned leather and it's made with recycled plastic materials, and the best part is this case is specifically made for Google, so they've worked with Google to make sure we've got the correct fit and finish on the case, which is really cool. Okay, so my first initial reaction as soon as I pull this out of the box is nice and premium. I know the Pixel 7a is more of a budget phone, but sometimes it's nice to have a bit more of a premium case on your phone, and I've always been a fan of leather cases, and straight away this one does feel very nice and premium. So before we pop the phone on, let's just take a look at the inside of the case. So as you can see, we've got a very vibrant blue / purplish colour on the inside of the case. There's no details on the inside, so there's no prints or anything apart from the Bellroy logo, and tells you it's made in China just there. But what I will say is this material on the inside, the microfiber material, is very soft, so it should help with any scratches on the back of your Pixel 7a, which is really nice. Let's pop the phone in. So straight away, this is probably my favourite case I have handled for the Pixel 7a. So fit and feel very nice. It's very light. Pretty impressed, just first impressions. Let's just run around the case and take a look at the features. So we've got the Bellroy logo just at the bottom there, and as far as camera protection goes, we do have a camera rim which goes on the top and bottom. So there is protection if you drop the phone, but what I will say is you've got quite an exposed bit on the sides of the case. That's the only thing as far on the camera that I don't like. Move around to the side, so there's nothing on that side there, and just on this side, nothing all the way along as well. Let's just have a look at those buttons. They are made of metal, so very nice. Let's just do a quick button test. Okay, so being honest, they're very stiff buttons. Whether they need time to break in, I'm not sure, but at the moment they're quite hard to press. I agree with the material of metal, but they just need to be worked on and make them a bit more clicky and tactile, because at the minute they're quite hard and mushy to press. So to be honest, that's a bit of a letdown. Let's move on to the front of the phone and look at the screen protection. So there is a small lip going around the outside of the phone, not too big, but it should be enough to give you lay on the table protection. So nothing to worry about there in terms of scratching your screen. I do use a screen protector, so it probably does sit a bit lower if you don't use one, just for information. So that was just a quick run around the case. As far as price goes, you'll be looking at £45 in the UK and $50 in the US. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think of the Bellroy case for the Pixel 7a. And would you spend that sort of money on a case for your Pixel 7a? Whilst you're there, subscribe to the channel and check out the other videos that I've recently made for the Pixel 7a, as well as keep your eye out for upcoming content ready to drop over the next week or two, including my full review. But for today, I'm Luke from Luke Tech Reviews. Thank you and see you next time.